Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Jackson, your internet motorcycle sales guy here at Bumpus Harley-Davidson of Jackson, Tennessee. Today I have this 2009 Electra Glide Ultra Classic. This is, I think, the ruby red Sunglo. Don't hold me to that. It's one of the red Sunglo colors they've done over the years. Good looking color. This bike has 55,000 miles, I believe, somewhere around that. Cosmetically, it is not perfect. It's got some age and some wear on it. Mechanically, we have gone through this bike, fixed what needed to be fixed on it. Everything is working properly. You know, it's a 2009 with some miles, so of course, unless it was a garage baby, they're not going to be perfect. This bike has been ridden. So it's not a showstopper, but if you're wanting something to ride, this one's good to go. We've made sure of that. You can get on it and ride it anywhere. It's got some nice LED headlights that have been added, LED turn signals, looks like. We've got highway pegs on here, good tall windshield bag. There's a phone mount, cup holder. Got the matching Willie G footboard covers. Matching Willie G highway pegs and footboards. I mean, it's got some scratches and dings on it in a few places. But again, mechanically this thing is sound. Brand new tire on the rear. Got some good sounding Cobra exhaust on there. Yeah, overall it's a nice bike. Let's see what she sounds like. Yeah, 55,700 miles. Runs smooth. Sounds good too. All right, if you're looking for yourself a good touring bike, this definitely could be a winner right here. If you think this could be your next bike, inquire about it here on the website or give me a call at 731-422-5508. Better yet, come see this thing in person, take it for a test ride, check out the rest of our great inventory while you're here. All right, y'all come see us.